It could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, interval wipers. Inside you'll find OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.